Welcome back to another short video. In today's video, now surely the people doing this with the airplanes and the geoengineering and whatnot, no, they had to know that this day would come. No, that the destruction to nature would be so obvious and so difficult to hide. No, it just rained for a couple of days, and I'm going to show you guys all the brown stuff coming down on the trees, okay? Now I noticed as soon as it rains, no, they might as well issue a mask with that blindfold, because they're gonna have to give you a blindfold with the stupid mask, because there's no way that they can hide this anymore. No, this is just on my daily journeys, ladies and gentlemen. So just going outside, walking down the road, going to Home Depot, Lowe's, McDonald's, no, the grocery store, half the trees are all dead in the parking lot. Now, this is what it looks like. It doesn't matter where I go. And like I said, surely these people knew that the day would come, and that day is now, that the environmental destruction would be nearly impossible to hide from the public. So they can't get mad at us for coming outside with the camera unless they want us to wear a blindfold. Okay? But I'm going to continue on in this video. I'm going to show you a couple of different things. I'm going to take you out into the forest. Here we go. This tree's still standing. I can't believe it. See, it doesn't want to die. It's holding on. You know what I'm saying? You'll do the same. You're not going to want to die either, you know? That's why I'm out here making these videos. No, I really don't have a choice, you know? If you want to have fresh air, water to drink, and you don't want toxic rain where everything on the ground looks like this. You know what I'm saying? No, horrific damage to nature. It can no longer be hidden from the public. Like I said, if you guys don't handle this within the next year, no, you guys have 1 year to ask questions, protest, complain, or something, right? Or forever hold your peace. I mean, you guys have 1 year, I would say 1 year, with what I'm seeing out here. 1 year, 12 months, that's not a long time, ladies and gentlemen. 12 months and you'll have nothing left. There won't be anything left worth fighting for. Now you can quote me on that. Okay? So if you guys don't hit the streets, big freaking snake, holy shit, wasn't expecting that. Sorry guys, see, this is some of the stuff I'm running out here. It's freaking dangerous coming out here. But there he is. Man, it doesn't look poisonous. No, that's a corn snake. That's a freaking corn snake. Look guys. I'm not afraid of the snakes. See, I was a Boy Scout. I know exactly what that is. Yup. We'll put him over here so he can get out of the way. Come on, buddy. They put him over there. But I'm going to continue on the videos. No, he's pissed. Look at him. Whoa. Striking at me. But we'll let him go and let's continue on. But I'm out here defending nature. They're defending the snakes and the birds, and they're gonna defend themselves, you know? He's not gonna stand there and take the shit from you guys. Look at him. He's not gonna let you destroy his planet. He's gonna defend. And I hope you all do the same. No, look how fierce he is. And look how small he is standing up against me. Yeah, he's no coward. He's got freaking balls, man. Look at this thing. Yeah, I wish more of you were like this against the geoengineers. Like this little snake right here. Let's let him go. You can't even walk through here. There's so much. Everything's dying. God damn it. No, this is what it's like. Look, I can't even walk. My feet are the forest floor. I can't even walk through it, people. Okay? No, it's covered in dead trees. Every step. Let's go this way. No, I call this the valley of the slaughter of the lamb. No, check this out. This is the valley of the slaughter of the lamb. I don't even know if I want to go underneath this thing. Oh my God. This is... Yeah, and you'll see why I call it that. Young trees. Young trees. Didn't stand a chance, did it? No, the root system completely collapsed. Sure did. No, I'll show you. Young and old. No one gets out alive in this forest. Okay? No, the deeper I go, the worse it gets. Yeah, the deeper I go in here, some of these young trees, you'd think they had a chance, right? No, they're completely dead. They're completely dead. Here's a young tree right here, a young specimen. Let's get in here. That's it. Damn. So here's a young specimen. Look, it's on its side, people. Look, it's no longer standing up straight, okay? It's growing, it's growing, but it's growing on its side, okay? Just to let you know. No, everything's turning brown now. No, it went into warp speed acceleration. I'm telling you guys. No, this is accelerating. This is very linear. It just gets worse and worse and worse. Okay? No, look back in there. Look at the big trees. They're imploding. Look, the side blew off of it. It's turning all red. Look, the whole side came off. No, the whole side of the tree came off. Look. The whole side. No, it twisted. No, like you dump muriatic acid, Roundup, and 2,000 gallons of sulfuric acid. That's what it looks like. No, that's the kind of level of destruction that I'm dealing with out here. It's like that, people. Okay? Everything is imploding. No, I'll show you. Let me scoot up here a little bit. What's that? It's just... Doesn't matter where I go. Oh God, this is, like I said, It's gonna be hard for some of you to see this next part where I turn around the corner. Man, it's heartbreaking, I told you. Sorry. Yeah, I hear, oh wow. Look, the entire giant trees. No, they're just falling apart. Look, this thing imploded. Look. Oh shit, I can't even pull, it's just falling apart. I mean, look at it. It's just, whoa. Jesus. God, that thing would kill you. No, soon all the trees in the world will be on the ground. And I tried. And damn it, you know I tried, ladies and gentlemen. I tried. Horrific damage. No, I can't even come out here anymore. It's too dangerous. Everything's falling down. Look. Yeah, remember, you guys are inhaling these chemicals. No, I've stood out here at night. You should be raging at your doctor. No, I've stood out here at night and filmed it. All these chemicals are coming down. Look how dead all these plants are. These were flowers. Look, these were flowers. No, the flowers are dying. All the flowers are dying. Look. No, it just rained. They were beautiful yellow. They're dark black now and brown. Okay? No, they're literally. Look at it. I didn't even see that. That's like, that just shows you it's obvious now what's taking place. They're just being exterminated. There is no weather control. They're bullshitting you. There's no reason for this. Yeah. Look at that. Chemical fluff agents or something. Yeah, I don't have a special effects budget. You see it's all clumped up right there. And geoengineering materials falling out of the sky. It's getting on everything. Look, it's killing the leaves. See ya? All the spots on them. Continue on. No, I can really feel the heat coming off that sun. I'm telling you guys, look at that sky. Look how unnatural that sky is, and look how dead nature is. I mean, soon all the trees will be on the ground, ladies and gentlemen, around the world. I did everything I could out here. I'm just one man. I'll be honest with you guys, this was way overwhelming. This was, no, hang on. Look at the damage to this plant right here. You can see the chemical fallout on the leaves. Okay? This was just all so overwhelming. And like I said, we're not just being censored, we're being silenced. Okay? No, I didn't have a gray hair in the world till I got into this mess. So I'm telling you, we're being exterminated. That is so obvious at this point. Like, you don't have to hear it from me. You'll hear it from a lot of other people's channels.